Gotta eat me something. Oh, that's what I want. And there's one left. Good morning. I want to order the burger.
Oh, sorry, sir. It's sold out.
What do you mean, sold out? The menu says there's still one more.
Nope, there is none left.
No, there's one left.
I don't know what else to tell you. Why don't you come back tomorrow?
Hey, that's a lettuce from the burger. You don't just eat the last burger.
Wait, mister, don't accuse me of something.
I won't leave here without my burger.
Hey, guards! Someone is rioting here.
Oh? I'd like to order the burger.
Oh, it's you. I'm sorry, but there is none left again. Why don't you come back tomorrow?
See, I know you ate the last burger yesterday, and ate today's last burger too. I got a photo of you, and I will report you to the manager.
Oh, no, sir. That's a misunderstanding. Oh, I just remembered. There is one left. Here you go. That is on the house.
Thank you.